This is the GemLightbox Max. It is the world's first AI-powered photography solution that allows you to capture studio-quality images and videos in one click using the GemCam Pro or the smartphone. It comes with our application that you can download on any iOS or Android. You simply connect to Bluetooth and you're ready to shoot. Inside, we have two inbuilt turntables. The base is for your flat pieces such as rings and bracelets, and the turntable on top for your hanging jewelry such as earrings, pendants and watches. Now here we have the rotating sparkle light, which is powered by 12 LEDs. We have 6 yellow and 6 white. To power on, you simply press the button here. Now we also have here the mannequin, so this also fits inside of the machine so you can capture bigger pieces and sets. Now this is the world's only turntable that glows from the inside, which then removes all of the shadows and brings out the natural colors. Now let me introduce you to the GemCam Pro. The GemCam Pro was designed specifically for the jewelry industry. It has a built-in macro lens and different lighting options such as yellow, white and blue. As you can see here, there are no buttons or dials. It is plug and play. You simply connect it to the computer or the laptop and you're ready to shoot. One of the highlights of the camera is that it automatically focuses, so there's no training involved. Once you're ready, you simply tap the red button and it goes into automation. 15 seconds and it captures a beautiful video with the entire piece sharp and in focus and 4 still images. Our software also does the editing for you, and on top of that, it generates a product description using AI. One click and your entire photography process is complete.